Come here. Oh, she's in her. Sorry, girl.
What the heck is over there? It's another turtle.
They're literally everywhere.
Bush. Look, he's coming out. Ruthie, if you don't stop getting so close.
Oh! Oh!
That's what you get.
Oh,
Oh,
I
it's so
hate
cute.
those. That's disgusting.
Those are lizards.
Okay, got it. Okay, guys, everyone look at me. Okay, look at me. Nature.
I know.
Okay, do not run right now. Stop right now.
There's no.
Bird watching was fun.
If one of our hairs starts like going up, then you know we're about to get struck.
I'm wearing a hat, so it's okay.
I don't have the money to replace this.
That's so funny, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was actually that just struck like right next to us. Okay, wait, the car is locked. The car. Holy crap. How was your bird watching experience?
It was pretty good, actually.
Oh my gosh, this car's Why are there cars pulling up right in front of me? Can we go back to your house? We just passed it. Get in there. Look, there's a sheriff here. We're safe.
Oh.
He'll save us from the lightning.
Pull up in there, bro.
Look at, oh my gosh. It's literally flooding. It's flooding. Oh my goodness.
What the heck?
So we tried Circle K, except all 4 of their slushie flavors were not working. There's no way on planet Earth. This is the second Circle K we've been to. Work.
Can you hurry? Because there's people behind us.
Sorry. It's not. Okay, cancel it. Pause it. Okay. Wawa will save you. Every time. I love Wawa. Okay, you can't see it. I love Wawa.